Hey, what's up guys? Thomas Edwards, creator and author of the upcoming book, The One Up Effect. Here to share with you where joy hides and how do you access it. So if you've watched my previous videos, you've learned that joy is the emotional experience of loving who you are, why you are who you are, where you are right now in this present moment. And while joy is different than happiness, we do look and aspire to experience joy throughout our day. But sometimes it can be difficult, especially if we haven't practiced it in such a long period of time. And so I'm here to share with you a very simple way to find joy. I mean, you hear this phrase, joy is in the little things. Well, that may be true. I think it might be easier if I were to share with you a simple way for you to reconnect with joy so that way you can understand how you can find joy in the future. So the easiest way to really think about it is to think about your senses. Taste, touch, smell, sight, and hear. And think about what of those senses, when you experience it, creates the most joy. So a great example could be smell. For me, I love the smell of pizza. I love the smell of pizza. It immediately brings me joy. When it comes to sound, I love the sound of video game music. Anytime I hear it, especially some of my favorite games, I instantly light up. My body just reacts differently. And here's the thing, you can find out what those elements are, those experiences are, and you can have them in your environment. And so for me, oftentimes I like playing video game music when I'm working or when I'm doing other tasks, and it's just fun. It creates a fun environment for me and it really taps into that joy. Sometimes that joy brings me back to when I was a little kid playing these games as well. And so you can do that. Or you can also train yourself to find moments where that joy can be experienced outside of your home. And so one thing that I used to do was I would listen to music that was trendy, that I actually enjoyed listening to. And I would listen to it before I went out to meet with a client back in the days when I was working as the professional wingman. And when I would be in that environment, sometimes that song would come up and my body would instantly react in a positive way. I'd feel joy, I'd feel this burst of energy, and all of a sudden now my enthusiasm, my proactive, my gregariousness just went to another level. Joy does hide in the little things, but if you can use your five senses to think about where are those moments where you experience the most joy, then you'll be best equipped to replicate that now and well into the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, let me know what you think about this. What are your experiences around joy and the five senses? Is it something that you didn't realize you had? And what are some ways that you're going to find a way to have it involved in your environment moving forward? Of course, like this video, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when we put out videos, which happen almost every single day. And of course, if you find this video interesting, share it with someone that might find this interesting too. Help them join the conversation. And if you want to learn more about the One Up Effect, happiness, joy, success, how this all comes together in one amazing game, you can go to theoneupeffect.com. Once again, this is Thomas Edwards inviting you to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. Until next time, I'll see you around.